and healthy. Today's subject is computer and my topic is lesson number 1. Let's start with machines. So come on children, let's see. In this picture you will see the person, those who are working by hand, and then the persons, those who are using the machines. So you can see here that the persons, those who are using hand, it takes lot of time and efforts, and whereas the machines do quicker job. So you will see hand is taking lot of time, whereas machine can do fast. So now you will see today's our topic is what I told you, that is to let us start with machines. So now you will see people working with machines and people working without machines. It takes lot of efforts. So people, those who are not working with machines, they takes lot of time to do their work, and whereas the people, those who are use machines, the work is done very faster. So children, you can see here in this picture, let's see some machines from our daily life. So at home we have TV, washing machine. Yes, you can see children, you can see TV, washing machine, you can see mixer, and then refrigerator. You can see, no children? Yes, these are all the different types of machines. Same way, you know children, we use nail cutter, and then we use seesaw and zip are also machines. Nail cutter is also one type of machine, and scissors, seesaw and zip are also machine. Seesaw means where you play in the garden. So actually now we will be doing some revision of lesson number 1. That is, what are natural things? Natural things which are found in nature, they are sun, bird, trees, etc. So children, we will, how are the pictures of some more machines? You will see. You will see some different types of machines, like sewing machine. You will see bicycle. Can you see children the different types of machine? That is sewing machine, bicycle, then rickshaw, and then what you will see here, hammer. So, and this microwave oven, AC, and then ceiling fan and toaster. These are different types of machines. Now we will do some revision. Come on children, come on, let's do the revision. Machines are natural things children. Come on children, say yes. It is false. Very good. Computer is a machine. Yes, it is true. Computer is a machine. All machines run on electricity. False. So same way, come on, we will do filling the blanks. Filling machines are made by what children? Come on, reply. Very good. Machines are made by man. And then come on, next one. A machine makes our work. Come on. Yes, easy. Yes, very good. A machine makes our work easy. Machine works very slower or quicker? Yes, quicker. That is fast. Same way, match the following. You will see the match the following which is given in this, which is given in the picture. You will see children, some match the following is given. So you have to do on your own. Like scooter, we use petrol, and then for iron, to press our clothes, we use electricity. Same way, the mountain, the scenery, they are what? Natural things, and the bicycle is manual. So children, let's continue in our next session. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. So kids, hope you are safe and healthy. Today's subject is computer. Lesson number 2. Computer, a magic machine. So children, so kids, as you all are familiar with computer, you also know how to operate computer. You know the types of computer which is given on page number 10. You can see this picture children. Yes, can you see? Yes, so please children, keep your finger on the given picture and answer it. Very good. So children, you have to see and you have to answer to my question. Yes children, the first one is TV, Yes. And the second one is what? Come on. Tab. Yes. And then that is computer. Then you can see the different types of mobiles are used, laptops. Yes. So children, we use computer in our daily life. So children, how we use it? Yes, very good. To type and draw. We use computers in our daily life to do lot of things like typing, drawing and coloring the pictures, calculations, send emails, search informations, chat with family and friends, play games and listen to music. So come on children, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine. Yes, very good. Come on children, repeat everybody. A computer is an electronic machine which stores a large amount of data. Yes, very good. Once again, come on, repeat with me. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine which stores a large amount of data. Very good. So now you will see how computers, what are the features of computer? Come on children, come on, tell me, come on, very good. What are the features of computer? Yes, very good. It is very fast. Yes, very good. It's second one. Yes, come on children, come on, say. I want answer from you. It makes our work easy. Very good. It never gets tired. Yes, very good. It remembers lot of things and it never makes mistakes. Very good. Come on, tell me the features of computers again one more time. It is very fast. It makes our work easy. Thirdly, it never gets tired and it can remember a lot of things and it never makes mistakes. So children, as you know, we have what is a computer? It is like a TV screen, and that TV screen is called as a monitor. It is called as a monitor, and in that we have a keyboard also to type, and then we use the mouse to use the computer, and a box called the CPU, and then in this way these are the features of the computer. Come on children, come on, tell me what are the features of computer. Yes, computer is a TV screen and it is called a monitor. Yes, very good. It has a keyboard, yes, to type. Very good. We use a mouse to use the computer, and there is also a box, it's called the CPU. So children, I hope you will do this revision very thoroughly, and in the glossary it is also given the data information, and same way in the lesson number 1 also the same, what it is, glossary is automatic, electricity and manual. I have already told you that in lesson number 1 the person those who are working by hand and the person those who are using the machines. So that is, and same way, in this way children, we are using computers in different surroundings of our places, like libraries we use, and in schools and colleges we use, in railways and airports we use, on hospitals we use, in banks we use, homes, offices, malls and shops. Okay children, I hope you will do this revision, and now we will do some short revisions. Come on children, I want answer from you. Name the place where computers are being used in the picture. Yes, which is given, the pictures are given here. You can see this picture and you will tell me in schools and colleges. Very good. And same way, a computer is being used to what it is. A computer is being used as which machine? It has a picture and it is what it is. It's a music player. Very good children. Same way, what is the girl doing on the computer? What she is doing? She is searching the information. It's very clear in the picture. You will see the picture and you will answer these questions. Very good. And same way, filling the blanks. The monitor is what? The monitor is a TV screen. Yes, very good. And what computers can do and what we cannot do. Computer is more faster than us. It can remember lot of things. And then what we do on the computer, we play games. Very good children. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Let's meet in our next session. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.